Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are facing an annoying issue or error in Steam that it is showing an error when it's trying to load any application, so you can do is open your Steam application. Now you can do is search for Steam. Here you can click on the start icon and search for Steam. So I'm going to search for it. Here it is. Now right click on this Steam app when you get this. Now you have to simply click on open file location. When you find this Steam option, now you again click on that and you can find, right click on it and you can find this open file location. So when you find this Steam here, now again right click on it and now you have to do is go to properties. So when you are on properties, you have to simply go to the compatibility and make sure that you have run this program as an administrator. If it's unchecked, you have to check this and simply click on apply and OK, and this might help you to solve this issue. If this issue persists, then you can do is copy this here, sorry for that, right click on it and you have to do is copy this application here. Now when you have copied it, you have to go to the library. For example, you are facing this error for this game here. Now you have to do is simply click on this button here and this gear icon and go to the properties where you can find this let me show you. Let me show you where. So actually there is a, it is not actually installed here, so you have to go to install file. So when you are on install file, sorry for that, not here, you have to go to the properties. Now when you are on install files, you can find the installation location, install file location, where you can add your this game application that you have copied from your file in that game file where it is installed in your file directory. So then it can help you to solve this issue. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.